What is VBA? VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is a programming language developed by Microsoft. It is primarily used to automate tasks in Microsoft Office applications like Excel, Word, Access, PowerPoint, and Outlook. VBA allows users to write macros, which are small programs that perform repetitive or complex tasks with a single click or command. Why should you learn VBA macros? Here are the key reasons why learning VBA macros is beneficial. 1. Automation of repetitive tasks. You can automate tasks like data entry, formatting, report generation, chart creation, and more, saves hours of manual work in Excel or other Office apps. 2. Boosts productivity. Automates multi-step processes that would take time if done manually. Example, creating 50 reports with one click instead of doing each manually. 3. Custom solutions. Tailor Excel or Word to meet specific business or personal needs. Create custom forms, dashboards, and functions. 4. No additional software needed. VBA is built into Microsoft Office. No need to install or buy anything extra. 5. Widely used in corporate jobs. Valuable in roles like data analysis, finance, accounting, HR, administration, etc. Commonly asked skill in job interviews for Excel-based roles. 6. Enhances your Excel skills. Learn more about how Excel works under the hood. Create advanced formulas, automate pivot tables, filters, etc. 7. Gateway to learning programming. Great starting point for beginners in coding. It helps build logic, thinking, and programming skills in a practical way. 8. Saves costs and resources. Reduces the need for external tools or software. Many tasks that require third-party software can be done with VBA. Example use cases. Auto-generate reports from raw data. Create automated dashboards with charts. Send personalized emails from Outlook using Excel data. Clean and reformat large data sets. Create buttons and forms for user interaction. Create SQL connection. Connection with different types of API. If you're working with Excel or any Office apps regularly, learning VBA is like giving yourself a superpower to work faster and smarter.